back at me pickup truck. It's been a wee while. Been busy with other things, but show you what I'm going to be going at. These door rubbers, window channel rubbers. I've got new ones of them. They're all burst at the corners. Weather strips. New ones of them. I've got new door rubbers too, but they'll no be going on now. All I do, once I take it off, I'm going to get these doors painted. The tops of them, black again. Now, in the back here's all the bits for it. I've got my 2-bar grill there, I've got all that rubbed in. I'm going to, that'll be going to wait to get painted. I'll paint that at the same time as I paint these. So I'm going to get this door, pushed it over to that side. I've got a better thing to take it, I'll do that next. I want to do these. So I'm going to take these door cards off. See what the membrane's like behind it. If it's never been damaged, then I'll get the missus's hairdryer and see if I can pull it off. If it's already been tarnished, I'll get this stripped in, take it from there. Right, door card off, membrane is complete. Oh, it's a shame I have to go in there, but hey ho, I'm in a cuts to the break. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. I didn't break any, did I? Oh no, brilliant. Right, I think the hairdryer, try and heat that up and pull that back. That can be reused these. Right, just popping this card off now. I've got the furniture off. Very gently so I didn't break any of these cracks, but I've got spares. It's just a wee trim puller. I'll do this. Pull it off, see what the membrane's like. And get the glass out. I'll pull this weather strip off now. I need to take the mirror off, I can't mind. I can't mind. I might have to take that mirror off, you know that? I think I will if that goes over, that's later. It does. Well, crack on. Right, let's get the mirror off now. I've only got outer weather strips, but only needs outer ones. These have been weather strips too long. New ones are in the back here. Cut them with a wee grinder with a wee disc. Keep the old one as a template. Right. Let me beat until I go and get the hairdryer. Yeah, I need to get that little membrane off. That's quite good. I'll give it. So I'll leave all that off for painting that. Anyway, yeah. I'm them off anyway, so right, perfect. Right. Right, I've got this old hairdryer here, this wee one. Started to rain now, but I don't know if it's going to work or not, but I'll try it because it's absolutely lashing. If I can get this to peel off, I'll just peel it down, let it hanging and I'll tape it up out the way, I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'd like to try and get it off if it's fucking raining it like I normally do. I'll go and get a paint spray, so I should have brought one in the right, they were up on that bench up there. I'll do this and see how I get on. Ah, this is working, I'm just taking my time. I don't need to take it right off. I'm seeing it a heat. Gently peeling it with my fingernails. So normally these are all buff by the time you get there, but I've redone my other 2 cars, my Fiesta and my other Escort. So. Right, I managed to get that off. I just left it hanging there. And we'll go her back on. Right, glass it. Right, I've just pulled these out. I got the window right down. I don't know if I'll get away with leaving the window in and just sliding the new ones in, I don't know. But I'm going to try it. The other ones are more rubbery, these are more plasticky. But we'll see. Pull this other bit out. In the middle of a mad storm. Turned on lightning a minute ago. But, hi. See if I can get this bit out now. There's one there that's still in, this bit. That's coming out. Cool. Right. Right, I'm just trying this in for size and new rubber. I say I'll need to treat these tops of these doors and paint them. But right, I think that's the right way. I say I'll need to soak them up. I don't know if I'll need to take the glass out. I don't know. I'm not going to try it. Right. Good stuff. Oh shit, don't shut that with that fucking thing dangling there. There's the bloody rain back on. I'm just about to go up to the house, get a coffee. So everything will need a good clean. I'll sand, key the tops of that door. First of all, let's stick back up for now. Probably will, eh? Wait a minute. Oh, you stupid. Stick that the other minute. I might just stay there enough for now. Haha! Good stuff. What's my extension? Unplug hairdryer. So that's that frame cut up. So I like to keep the lengths, they're 6 metres long. Rectangular box section. Same as what this cardboard was built with. All one piece. That stuff. That's good. Got that now. All the wee bits are in that black bin. Put a bit of primer on it, start with roosting. And then I've come round the back where it was stored. Got some grass seeding in because it was leaning against the side of my garage. The tin sheets for the carpet, they were stored on the ground, so that seed's coming a bit, so I put some more seed in. Aye. That job done. Fence next. Right. You got success there, eh? First day back at my wee truck. Now what I'll do next is I'll need to, key the tops of that doors. Then I'll give it a good thorough clean. Treat the door, paint it. And I've got black tire soap there. I'm going to try and squeeze them in without taking the glass out. Aye, see how I get on. I think I'll do this in a next one will be the same, there's no point filming that. Next bit will be, I suppose I'll be getting it. Painting it, putting the rubber in. The rain's calmed down a bit, so I'll get up to the house. Get a coffee. I've got this door card off at this side, but somebody's been here before. I noticed when I took the mirror off, it's been stuck on, the cover there. Three plastic toggles. Anyway, I've just pulled the door card off. I'm pretty sure. Maybe not. Let's see the fucking damn it there. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's just. Okay. Right, I'll get the hairdryer, get this off. I think somebody has been in here because it's coming off awful easily, this. Like it hasn't been new glue. It's been torn there. That's fine though, that can be repaired. Anyway, I'll get this off. Right, that's me got. Same at this side now. Somebody had been in at this side before. Door card's slipped in, the membrane's slipped in both sides, but I'll be able to tape it up, it's fine. We got it. Can I find, I don't know if it's a wee bit of foam that goes behind the window handle, so maybe that wasn't there. Thought a bit falling out, but anyway, I'm going to give these quick key up, and then next thing I'll be get a bit of rust treatment on some of the wee bits. I don't even know if it's this rust stuff, it's dark, I'll get somebody that can see it, look at it, clean it off. I say when I get these painted, I'll paint the grill at the same time, because I can't do my own painting because I can't see, so you get somebody in to do it, so I'll just get them to do the hill. Do it off, and get my rubbers on, my grill fitted, move on to the next job, get the filter tank out. I didn't feel like doing that, but I'll do this. Still raining, I'll crack on and get this done. Right, that's this side done. Get a wee rubber some wet and dry, bit of scotch, but right, I'll just be going satin black again. I mean, these originally should be body colour. Did think about doing them body colour, same as the grill, but nah, I'll do them satin black. Suits it quite nicely, I think, my truck. But a wee bit better doing this actually, just feeling it there, but I'll finish this off and I'll do the other side, and that'll do me for today. Right, that'll do it, both doors done. Right, that's me done now, definitely done for the day, but too wet to go up to the house. Next thing I'll be able to get a painter man. We'll get this cleaned up, get it painted. Same as the grill. Yeah, I'm going to edit this video now and put it out because I've not put a video out for a while. I've got a couple in the making that I've not finished yet. But aye. Cool, right, crack on then it.